Hey y'all, this is the second test. It's the actual test now for potential and kinetic energy and balanced and unbalanced forces. It's 6 questions, and I need you to mark your answers, circle them on the test, and also bubble them in. When you're done, you're going to make sure you turn in the Scantron or the bubble sheet and keep your test so that we can go over it. If you need to pause, rewind, or fast forward, you're welcome to do that at any time. All right, number 1. According to the above diagram, at what point would the roller coaster have the greatest potential energy? So then it's numbered here. And it says A, 3, B, 4, C, 5, or D, 6. All right, number 2. The game of tug of war. Number 2. A game of tug of war in which 2 teams pull on opposite ends of a rope is illustrated here. The center of the rope will move which of the Let me reread that whole question. Number 2. A game of tug of war in which 2 teams pull on opposite ends of a rope is illustrated here. The center of the rope will move when which of the following is true? So it gives us the picture. F. The ground provides no friction for either team. G. One team has more people than the other. H. The rope has essentially no mass of its own. Or J. One team pulls with more force than the other team. All right, number 3. A box and forces are shown below. One student pushes to the right with 2 newtons, and another student pushes to the left with 5 newtons. What direction will the box move? Here's a picture. A. To the left because it is an unbalanced force. B. To the left because it's a balanced force. C. To the right because it's an unbalanced force. Or D. To the right because it's a balanced force. If you need to go back to any of the questions on this first page, you can rewind and re-listen right now. If you're ready, I'm going to move on to the back with number 4, 5, and 6. Number 4, a ball is dropped from point 1, which is right here. At which of these positions does the ball have both the greatest kinetic energy and the least potential energy? So we have point 1, moving down this way, point 2, then point 3, then point 4. So F at position 1, G position 2, H position 3, or J position 4. Number 5. Philip throws a basketball up in the air and through a hoop. Because the ball is acted on by the force of gravity, the ball will A. Slow down, change direction, and then speed up until it hits the ground. B. Speed up, change its direction, and then slow down until it hits the ground. C. Travel at the same speed and same direction until it hits the ground. Or D. Change direction and travel at the same speed until it hits the ground. All right, number 6, last one. Riley plays a computer game where he designs roller coasters. Each diagram below illustrates a path for the roller coaster car to travel. Which track has the most potential energy? F. The cart is here, and that's 20 meters above the ground, and it's moving this direction. G. The cart is here, moving this direction, and this hill is 20 meters. H. The cart is here, moving this direction. The hill is 8 meters. Or J. The cart is here, It's moving this direction, and the hill is 15 meters. If you need to rewind to listen to any of them on this page or the page before, you're welcome to do that. If you are finished, make sure you've circled your answers on all of them on your test and that you've bubbled each one in on your Scantron. And then you may go turn your Scantron in and keep the test at your desk so we can grade it. Thanks.